Hola, buenos días. Hoy es día 15. 15 is 15. Now, yesterday is ayer. Nice word. Oh, yeah, ayer. Yesterday we were en el café and the waiter, el camarero, was saying que quieren, algo más. We were saying no, nada más, la cuenta, and that is no, nothing else. The bill, please. So today, hoy, we're going to be en el café again. All right. Now I'm going to tell you about una experiencia that I had en España when I was with two children. One little girl de 10 años, 10 being 10, and one niña de 5 años, and we'd been for a walk and they were very thirsty. And thirsty is tengo sed. So we were on the beachfront. We went into un bar and asked for Coca-Cola, limonada. They brought us the smallest Coca-Cola, the smallest limonada, like a botella, but only this big, and we didn't see the prices. Los precios. Precios is a nice easy word. It's like my precious, my prices. So we made mistakes. We shouldn't have been on the front. We should have been at least 2 streets back. And we didn't see los precios. And it turned out really expensive. They were €3.60 for the smallest botella that you have ever seen. The children, las niñas, were still thirsty, said. So, hoy, I want to tell you un poco about how to avoid that situation. Of course, claro. Claro means of course. What a lovely word. Claro. Go 2 streets back for your bar, for your restaurante. Don't go on the seafront. If you go on the seafront, you and las niñas are very thirsty. You might want to ask, how much is the drink? Cuánto cuesta la bebida? And how big is it? So cuánto cuesta is how much is it? Cuánto, how much? I love it because it relates to quantity, doesn't it? So quantity, cuánto, how much? And cost, cuesta. Cuánto cuesta. Because you don't see los precios. Los precios, ¿cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Una botella de Coca-Cola, ¿cuánto cuesta? Una botella de limonada, ¿cuánto cuesta? Or you might say, how much is it? ¿Cuánto es? Los precios, ¿cuánto es? Right. Now I'd like to go to imagina una situación a little bit nicer where you're not going to be ripped off, you're not going to have to remortgage your house, and you're going to go home from your vacación solvent. All right, so you've been to a nice bar and you know los precios. You're with un amigo, you've had una bebida, maybe dos, and you want to pay. So I want to pay is quiero pagar. Pagar and pay, they're also really similar. So when you want to pay, quiero pagar, you want the bill. La cuenta. La cuenta is like the count up. So la cuenta. So you say camarero, that's the word for waiter, if you want. Camarero, la cuenta, por favor. La cuenta, por favor. And then you're with your friend, you might want to say, your friend might say, yo quiero pagar. So you say, no. Yo quiero pagar. Invito yo. Invito yo is like saying it's my treat. I'm inviting. Invito yo. Yo quiero pagar. No. Yo quiero pagar. Invito yo. And then you can say, you're the next. You next time. Something like that. And then you're going to have a next time, aren't you? So, tú la próxima. Próxima is next. Approximate or proxy, it's not exactly a cognate. It doesn't mean the same thing in English. So just learn it. It's a nice word to learn. It's nice and easy. No es difícil. Tú la próxima. Bien. Y la próxima clase o el próximo día, mañana is really, really good stuff, mañana. So come back mañana. Mañana we're going to do saying I understand, I don't understand, can you repeat, and can you go more slowly? So really importante por la comunicación. Hoy, can you remember quiero pagar? ¿Cuánto es? ¿Cuánto cuesta? And maybe invito yo. Hasta mañana. Adiós.